And now we're going to get back to examining Mary and her mass in the right breast. We're going to put her in the same position that we had her in for the clinical breast exam, with her arms superior and the right area where we're interested ready to be examined. Her breast is flat. If she was heavy, we might have a roll up on her side, but we can reach that side quite easily. And with a small amount of lubricant on the probe, we place the probe over the mass. Now we spread out the lubricant slightly over the mass, and it's very important to put constant pressure. We have a pressure gauge in the middle of the screen that shows you how much pressure you're placing on the area. The pressure should be up in the green area. If it's below the green area, we won't be recording it. So it's important to put it in the green area. And you find your mass and you slide slightly up and down over the mass. And we have the mass seen here on the screen, on the left screen. And we slide up and down slightly over the mass, keeping the mass in view on your left real-time image. Once you see that you have the mass and you know what you're interested in, you press record. And once you press record, you continue to slide up and down over the mass. Notice that we now have image data appearing on the accumulated image field on the right side of the interface screen. The accumulated image is generated automatically once we've begun to probe the area above the suspicious lesion with sufficient force. Note that the SureTouch system is configured to accumulate images anywhere from 0.6 through 2.4 kilograms of total load applied to the probe, depending on the patient's breast size, density, lesion size, and depth. If you're in the green area for pressure and you're over the mass, then the accumulated data on the right side of the screen will show a picture of the SureTouch exam of the mass. Note that each data frame consists of all the pressure sensor signals in the two-dimensional array. After you've examined that area for several seconds, 10, maybe 15 seconds, you can press the stop button. This automatically launches a breast map. We can see from the crosshairs that we've marked region B in the right breast. To record additional suspicious lesions, simply press clear and then press record. Then we would repeat the same procedure we performed earlier in this training and mark subsequent areas on the breast map. We can also record additional lesions. We'll see the crosshairs become bold and the system will generate a message displaying the appropriate site number.